Okay, so what do we know, guys? Were you there last time? I think Bob was there. Van, maybe not. But Van, you already know how to build all your wallets and stuff. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we're doing a multi-sig DRep tonight.
Yeah, we could do that. We'll do it the fast way, so we have enough time. And the fast way is mostly copy pasting from the tutorial. So I'm guessing that.
Perfect.
Yeah, I'm guessing that last time was I was explaining enough stuff about the transaction themselves. But yeah, tonight's gonna be the lazy way. But still, I'll explain some things about it. Okay. Quick question: do you guys have all of you guys have your payment key pairs, your address, and stake keys, stuff like that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just let me check first if my stake key are registered.
I guess we should all do that, huh?
Yes, but of course I'm going to just like copy paste that in the chat so you don't have to type it all. If you use the same names that I do, that was stake.addr. Hopefully it's there.
What a kind and generous man you are.
Ah, no, you're not serious. Uh,
Wow.
where was I? Where was I? What was I gonna do?
You're gonna check the staking credentials.
That's correct. And I didn't mention.
I'm ready to step in.
Did you guys
If you need.
mention the path to your node.socket into your bash rc file?
Oh yeah.
Bash rc right there, because I haven't, and it's not found. Well, yeah, right, of course. I need to use Nano or Vim. Vim is my favorite, and it's still not there.
Are you sharing your screen right now, Mike?
Oh, sorry. You forgot something. Share my screen. Which one is it? It's this one. Go live. That should do it.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Could you full screen the code by chance? The instance.
I'm using Vim. You might as well use Nano instead, because Vim is gonna get you confused. But
I mean, like on the screen, like we can see half Discord when you share. It's like half of the screen is your
okay.
Discord window.
You don't want to see that? Okay.
I don't mind, but
Don't want to see our pretty faces. Okay, let's go. SanchoNet Workshop, the best website for Sancho. So we go into tutorial, and we're going to go into the register multi-signature DRep, and I will put it nicely so we can all see it. Okay.
Did you write this guide yourself?
I contributed to it. I did many pull requests. Actually,
Nice.
this specific one, the last pull request, this from me, because there was a lot of, well, it's always small typos, right? You know, things like here, the result of cat DRep multisig, that wasn't there, and it required the script hash, so it wouldn't run it properly, and other stuff. So now it works. Now it's good. Yeah, but first I'm going to open the chat and link to you this command, which is, oh wait, I don't know if you guys see this chat. Yeah, forget the $sign.
Got it.
Yeah, so you got to get into there, bash rc. Do I have the dot? Yeah. And at the very bottom of it, you need to mention your node socket path, which is supposed to be there. What? Oh, okay. All right. Mine's there. So just make sure that this, hold on, that this here. All right. There you go. That this here has been pasted.
No socket path.
Yeah. Oh, right. If you don't use Sancho source as the name of your source file, use the one that's for you. I know that Bob, you have like Cardinal dash src, so use that instead of Sancho source. And well, you know the drill, right? I mean, nothing new there.
Kinda.
Okay. So what's my problem? My problem is that I deactivated my service. So I'm gonna have to start it manually. And this is why it couldn't see my node socket. So let's go see if I'm far away from being synchronized. That's not too bad. Okay.
0.7% away.
0.6% away. That's like
Beautiful.
really 1 or 2 epochs. How about you guys? Your node
My
synchronized?
tip is 100% synchronized.
Nice. And Bob? You good, Bob?
Hold on. Yeah, I was just
Okay.
looking at this guy, Rich leaving. Wait a second, hell. I think I have to start my node. Right now I just have, I did CD and then the squiggly line / G live view, and then the CD space squiggly line / G live view again. Oh wait.
That
Oh yes.
dot.
Let me see my. Oh wait, it's on here now. I messed it up. It is. I should be 100% right now. It's at. I'm at epoch 365 at 99%.
Yeah, then you're
Yep.
caught up.
You good? Okay. I'll get back into my key directory. Let's do this. Just let me check if my stake address is registered. And it is. Okay, sweet. And I'm going to copy and paste this over here. I got to run maybe another time. Oh, that was quick. All right. We lost somebody already. Rick's gone. Okay. So from your key directory, if you run that command, you should know if you see something. If you only see 2 square brackets, actually I'm going to change keyboard layout, this one. And if you only see this, that means that your stake address is not registered. So we're going
Yeah, let me check mine real quick.
I'm not delegated to a stake pool. Oh, this is sad. I should delegate to myself.
That's funny.
You know what's funny? I think we got like 1,600 something DReps on Sancho.
It's pretty impressive, huh?
Well, not really, because I think like 1,300 of those registrations are Rick rolls from IOG people.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see if I can do something about it. Pum pum.
So I'm not seeing. Wait, what am I doing wrong? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna change directories. I was Mike. I was gonna try to do it from the the my key directory for the wallet that was connected to the hot wallet. Could that work, or probably not, huh?
I'm not sure I understand the hot wallet. What do you mean?
The thing that Johnny was showing me last time.
Oh yeah, you can. Just use the same. Just use the right name because it won't be the same. If for example, yeah, that wasn't Martin Scripps from Atada, which is a great guy.
Oh yeah, so I have those in my new keys directory.
So let me go check that. With his script, you can derive an address from your seed phrase that you use on centralgov.tools. But that's a little bit off topic, but we can still talk about it.
I don't see a stake address
Yeah, it's
in
there.
this.
There's always probably your name first. If you ls into the testnet directory, you will see mine is here. That's mikeStaking.addr. So if I verify and instead I just change the stake.addr for Mike dot not a dot staking dot addr, it should show me if I'm registered or not. Right, so yours is probably Van, I guess, staking.addr or weed staking.addr.
Yeah, I just don't see any.
You don't see any of these? Actually, this could be a great tutorial video. I'm sure Martin would agree if I do that because it's very strong to be able to derive a staking key pairs and payment key pairs like this, and being able to use the address from the CLI with the wallet that you use every day. And again, from a cold environment, important. Do not do this on a on a computer. It's very important because then you would definitively compromise your keys. So you do this.
I'm sorry, I wasn't in the scripts testnet
You do
directory.
this on a cold environment. It has to be done on a cold environment, meaning an offline environment where you took off your network cards and kernels and you destroyed them with a sledgehammer, for example.
Okay, sorry, I'm gonna try the command you shared one more time.
Yeah, so just change the name. It's going to do the same, pretty much. All right. So I'll get back to maybe a less confusing part where Bob is. Okay, Bob, do you see all those keys there? Did you create those keys?
Let me see. I'm not sure how far I got in creating the keys. Have any sort for myself?
You can ls. Or
Oh, wait.
do you have a directory? If you have a key directory, get in it, and you type ls, and you're gonna just be able to see what you got in there. So you could just you can send a screenshot if you want to. I know you had troubles sharing your screen, so yeah.
Let me see. Yeah, I had trouble sharing last time, but maybe shouldn't be this time.
Go ahead, try it.
Where's my camera? What camera? Stream.
Go ahead. So are you registered, Servan?
I'm a jerk. That's what I am. I'm a registered jerk.
You're not registered?
But let me check right now. Sorry, I'm just.
It's okay. No,
I couldn't see my cursor for a second on my instance, so I just rebooted it.
Oh.
I don't know if it was glitching or what.
How about you, Bob? You know what? I'm gonna.
What the hell? I know that I've. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Okay, hold on a second. Entire screen.
There's no stress. That's what it's for. Invalid signature. Eternal. Mm.
I don't know. It's been acting weird ever since I installed this Oculus thing. I bet you that's what it is. Okay, so we're gonna not go that route. I will send
Oculus.
you my screenshot right here really quick. I did send you there is one screenshot there with some commands that you gave me and already. So I'm gonna send another one. I'm at my home directory though. So
My stake delegation is null.
All right.
I'm pretty
No
oh
problem.
I'm pretty sure that I created keys or an address. I know I created an address that I
It's
was
okay.
able to query the faucet from. So I know I did that much, but nothing more than that after that part.
But do you see it? That was my question. I'm not.
Can you tell me how to look?
Yeah.
Oh, it'll
Okay.
be in your keys directory.
Yeah. So from your home directory, you do ls, and hopefully you will see something called keys or whatever you called it for your keys, and then you cd space and you get into it like this. Then you ls again to list the files that you got in there, and you should see what's in there pretty much. And if you want to, you can send a screenshot by typing on the keyboard Shift Windows button S at the same time. And I don't know if my screen's gonna show it though if I try it. Shift Windows button S, and then the screen will turn slightly gray, and then you can copy, select whatever you want, and you can paste it in the chat by just pressing Control V like this. Ta-da!
Check this out then.
Oh, did you actually do it? Oh yeah, you did. Okay. Now, yeah,
Oh, so I can.
you're in
Okay.
GLive view. You're in GLive view. You have to get back.
Look at the next one though. I got myself out of there.
Okay, so no, now you're too far away. You have to get back to you have to CD into, was it Venture Stream or Ubuntu? Well, what's your user? Venture Stream. Yeah, go into Venture Stream. So you do CD space, start writing Venture and press tab to get back
Okay,
to
and
your.
then the CD slash.
You should see this in blue, the little wavy and the dollar sign. And from there, you do ls, and you will see wherever you've put your keys directory, if you have a key directory.
I do. It says Sancho keys. Let me send this screenshot over.
Oh, it's okay. Just get in it. I trust you.
Okay.
CD Sancho keys.
Yeah. And then you ls to list what's in there.
Okay, so I have payment address, payment S key,
Show me. Show me.
payment V key.
Show me.
Okay, hold on.
And then you will.
Mike, real quick.
Yes.
I just used the Eternal wallet to delegate to Able Stake Pool. Now I'm gonna check on my
Do you wanna?
my node.
Do you wanna know something cool?
Yes.
The batch voting script now support hardware wallet.
Oh wow.
So you can
Wow.
vote with your ledger using this.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that's gonna become best practices basically, is your vote should be on a
Uh,
right?
no. I'm gonna say
No.
no to this because best practice would be to use your ledger wallet still from the CLI to vote, but using a cold environment. That's what I would do. So you use a script that communicates with your ledger, but the script itself is run from the cold environment. And in this case here, it's running from a hot environment, and that's not a good thing,
Right.
in my opinion.
That's not best practices.
No, no, not at all. The best practice is to use the transaction build raw, like I mentioned.
You got to build it raw.
Yes.
You got to go raw. That's the Sancho way. So how long will it take for the stake delegation to appear, Mike? Do you think?
You delegate it to my pool.
Yeah, just now via the eternal.
Oh.
Yeah. And it
should.
says that it should be, or the transaction went through.
I can see it right now. It's just that it won't be effective until 2 epochs. So yeah, I can actually show it to you.
Oh no, I just ran that query again and I see it now.
Mhm.
Yeah, beautiful.
It's there. Bob, talk to me. What you got? Come on. Need to move
I got
forward.
the
Okay.
I got the thing
Payment.
pasted here for you.
Okay, so you see the command that I wrote above, Cardinal CLI, Conway, query, stake. You copy that and you paste it there.
Oh yeah, okay.
And you tell me what you see. Please be a node dot socket. Please be a node dot socket. Yeah, yeah. Actually, Van, I'm pretty sure you're confident enough to get. Oh wait. Do you have you have a DRep registered, right? Already?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's the one from your Eternal wallet. You might don't want to make a multi-sig out of this one, right? Probably
Oh,
not.
that's kind. Yeah, that's what I was wondering.
No, you could just create another. Just create new credentials. You could do that if you wanted to. You just
And
create.
still use Eternal.
No. You just make another directory and you call it whatever multi-sig, and you generate the rep keys in that directory, and we're gonna use these ones for the multi-sig.
Yeah. Okay.
So it says like a
All right.
Cardinal CLI network socket connect socket 11 does not exist. No such file or directory. Vintu.
I knew it. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna ask you to do cd dot dot like this. Whoops, my bad. All right. Get back to your home directory where you're gonna see the little wave and the $sign.
Got it. Yeah.
Got it. And then you do sudo nano dot bash rc like this, and you press enter. Actually, I'm going to zoom a little bit more like that. Talk to
Okay, I
me.
got some blue letters.
Blue letters, that's great. Just go down at the very bottom, right? And you are then going to paste. I'm just going to put it there again. There you go. And you're going to paste this at the very bottom. No, wait. Don't paste this. Yours is different. Oh my god. Hold on. Don't do that. I'm pretty.
It's
Cardano SRC, if I remember well. So it's this. Hopefully it's this.
Right, you mentioned it.
How?
Okay, and let's see. I put that right at the bottom.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And you say Control X, and then you press yes, enter.
Yes. Alrighty.
That's good. Get back to your key directory
Yes.
and run that command again.
Okay. CD Sancho keys.
Yep.
And Cardano CLI comma query stake address info.
Mm-hmm.
And it says the same thing though. Yeah, except it says no such file, and then it says my name more. Venture Streams. Just in case. That's not supposed to be that way, is it? Or maybe it needs a little bit of time to go
No.
through?
Screenshot. Oh, whoa, whoa, wait. I'm so dumb. Get back to your home directory and type source.bashrc. My bad. Yeah.
Back to home.
Confusion, lack of sleep.
That is funny.
Sudo source that bash rc
Source.
from the
Source.
dollar.
Yeah, from the
sorry.
from the home directory. Yep. Have you seen the video about the console? There was a small part where it didn't say anything, but it was saying like didn't get enough sleep. That was a wink for me. Like
That is funny.
that was totally related to me.
I mean, it's not funny, but it's kind of. You're doing good work though, man. So it's not in vain.
Hopefully
Do I
not.
do I sudo source from my Sancho keys or from the squiggly line $sign?
From the squiggly line $sign, but as you can see, there is no sudo. It's written
Squiggly line
source.
$sign.
Just type what's written on the screen. It says source.bashrc.
So it's
Try to-
just
that's
source
so
I
funny.
should make a singing tutorial. Now we're ready for
Workshop the musical.
Now let's make the multi-sig keys. So awesome.
Multi-sig keys.
Wait, hold on. I messed. So I should do sudo nano dot bash rc.
No, that's done. That's done already. Just no.
Are you sure? Sudo nano. Yeah, it is
focus.
done. And then I did cd. Okay.
Source.
And then I did that thing. Okay.
Dot bash rc. And when you press enter, it's not gonna do nothing. That's what you want to do.
Yeah. Okay.
Smoking cocaine
And
every
then-
day. Sorry, I'm done.
So should I go back to the central keys and then run that query again?
When this is done, yes.
Okay. That should be done.
And then just to piss me off, it's gonna show just like square brackets with nothing in it. Come on.
It says So, did I do anything? Yeah, it came back. Yeah, it did. It came back with those brackets in the beginning.
Two square brackets, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We got this. Okay, let's make the accelerate version. So we need to register the stake address. Okay, let's do this. So I'm going to just take a look at the chat. Keep track of the chat. It's gonna go real quick. So you copy paste this into the key directory. Just stay in there, copy paste that. So this is the registration. No, actually, no, just don't copy paste that. Wait, yeah, copy paste that. Never mind what I say. This is the Cardano CLI stake address registration certificate. And you're going to use your verification key and a deposit, which is 2 ADA, to build your registration cert for your stake key. Talk to me. Tell me it's done. Bob.
It's done.
Yes.
It's
Okay.
done.
Next, we're going to build a transaction to submit it on chain. So this is the command. So what it does, it does a transaction build, which require running node because it's going to calculate the fees for you. The testnet magic 4, which is SanchoNet, the numbers of keys required, which is going to be the payment key to send the transaction, and the stake key signature, because we're obviously registering the stake address. A change address for payment, because we want to have the money that we don't spend back. The certificate, because we have to include it in the transaction. That's what we do it for. And an out file, which is the transaction raw. This here, it's the transaction body file. What does that mean? It means that it's the transaction with all the information required in it except the witness from your private key. So the next step after that is going to be the signing part. Are you ready?
Yes, it says estimated transaction fee
This is perfect.
point
Exactly.
180,681. Yes.
That's part of the transaction build. When you build from an offline environment, you do have to calculate that for yourself, but we'll start with this. So now you need to sign your transaction using this command. Cardinal CLI conway transaction sign, and then you include the body file that I mentioned here, and you have to, of course, provide your two signing keys, the payment signing keys for the transaction and the stake key, because like I said, you are registering your stake keys. Mention
Build the transaction is me building starting my UTXO is me building my UTXO or that's what my information is going in. Is that where my information goes? That I think I heard you say that's what the UTXO that's going to go through the network. Maybe I'm wrong.
Can you translate that into something I can understand?
Never mind then.
You mean
I asked
this here? You mean this?
Yeah, yeah. I asked. Yeah, this top part over here that you highlighted, this area over here. Basically, what I asked was if
Okay, normally
if
you have to provide the UTXO and the index of the UTXO that you want to spend from your wallet. But this command here is a command to just literally query it from your address, so it does it for you in a way. It's just the simple version of go into that wallet, which is the payment that address, and then get the first UTXO that's right at the top.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yep. Yeah, I think that's basically what I was relating it to that you were saying before. Okay.
Yep. Did you sign it? Did you wait, hold on. Yeah. I've seen it. Did you sign it?
I did the transaction sign. Yeah.
Good. And then submit, which is the last one from this tutorial, and this should show you normally transaction successfully submitted at the bottom. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Transaction successfully submitted. Correct. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So you have your registered address. So if you up arrow until you see the query command that you did, the stake address info, and you run that command again, you should see some information about your actual address.
The Conway query stake address info. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. So yeah, that's matching now. So it has an address, a stake. It has address, and then it says stake, and it says test, and then the address,
Yep.
and
And
delegation deposit.
that's correct. You see the delegation deposit. You see your two delegation. The stake delegation is delegation to stake pool. In my case, I'm not delegated to a stake pool, but I do have a vault delegation, which is a delegation to a DRep. So these are two separate things, but that are mentioned into your stake credential on chain. Okay, that's done. Now, the interesting part, the real thing there, the multi-signature DRep. Boom. So now we're going to create DRep. You're gonna be the DRep 1. I'm gonna make you the DRep 1, Bob. For the sake
Mike,
of
do you have your stake
Okay.
pool ID handy by chance for Able on the SanchoNet?
Yeah. It's the one finishing by 25.
I'm trying out the vote and delegate at the same time option. Or sorry, delegate your vote and your stake.
It's this one.
Oh, beautiful. Thank you, sir.
I'll send it in the chat. Where's my chat? Where's it? Where's the chat? I lost the chat. There it is. There. So this is my pool ID. Okay, so that's your... Okay. All right. Now, Sir Bob, we're going to create a DRep. So now you need a signing key and a verification key for DRep purposes, and this is the command to do it. CC multi-sig.
All right, that's in. Yep, that's in.
I'm going to, so I'm not confused. Whoop. Just like that. There you go. All right. So if you ls, you should see drep1.vkey and a signing and a drep1.skey normally.
I see that. DRep1, S, and V. Awesome.
I'm gonna be the drep. Whoop. Oh, confused. Oh, never. I'll just be drep. Not gonna break my head with this. All right. That's done. You got it?
Yes.
All right. Van, you doing that too? Van?
Sorry, I just delegated to Able and I delegated my
Oh.
new weight or my new ADA from the faucet to my DRep ID. Oh shit, was I not supposed to do that? I created a new DRep.
Hey, it's Cryptonote. Cryptonote. Away you, sir.
Sorry, I got excited on SanchoNet and I just started copy paste, copy, you know.
Yeah, I know. That's something we do in Cardano, right? Copy paste, copy paste, copy. Oh, damn! No, that's not what I wanted to do. It's too late now.
Yeah.
Okay, Bob.
So yeah, I registered a new DRep.
You got your credential? No, don't register it. Just create the.
I know, I know.
Okay.
I screwed up. I just created our new DRep, so I should do a new set of keys right now. My bad.
No. Deregister it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's a good learning thing to do. Deregister.
You're right.
So you create a deregistration cert and actually
Deregistration, sir. That's
yes. Yeah, that's a nice thing to learn there.
Conway. Do you know the command by chance, like off the top of your head?
Let's guess. Cardano, Conway. Oh, not Copnoway. Conway. That's governance, DRep, deregistration certificate because they like it long. Invalid argument. Registration.
Retirement certificate.
Retirement deregistration. Yeah, that's retirement.
I'm ready to retire, so this feels right.
Retirement certificate.
I've been working for a good long. This DRep's been working for about 5 minutes now. Didn't vote on anything. He's ready to call it a day.
So all that's required for this is your DRep verification key file and the deposit that you did, which is 500 ADA. So it's 500, and then you add 60 to that. That's something I could do.
DRep verification key file and the deposit amount. That's interesting. You
Yep.
would think it would know your deposit amount, right?
It actually do, but the reason why you put that is that if me and threshold percentage of people decide to change that amount, then that's not the same amount that you have to do in the future, but you still have your amount that you put now inside the pot. So you have to mention it. Right now, for example, it's 500 data, but if afterwards you're registered on chain and afterwards I decide that we should raise that to 1,000 and the people accept it, right? Then it's now 1,000.
Right, but why would you need to name the amount you paid? Wouldn't it know for that wallet that you're retiring the amount?
You could actually query it. It's probably similar to like when you withdraw from the stake address. If I don't use the right amount, it just doesn't happen.
Huh. That makes sense, I guess.
I can't tell you why exactly, but put the right amount. It's gonna work. We don't do that often. Okay.
I should be retired, so it seemed like it went through properly.
All right.
But I retired the DRep, but I also delegated my vote, so now I need to. Will it automatically undelegate my ADA?
Nope. It's just like a retired stake pool. Your ADA is lost in the abyss of the retired DRep.
Oh, but I'm going to delegate to our new DRep.
But the thing is, your stake is going to be seen as an abstain vote, so it doesn't really matter. But once we got our multi-signature ready, you can just delegate to that if you
Yeah,
want.
okay. That's right. I keep forgetting what we're doing.
Okay, Bob.
No, that was cool. Retiring. I've never done that before. Sorry, go ahead, guys.
Should I put those commands in that I put in the chat?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, no, don't do that. That's your signing key. Oh my god, I'm gonna steal your. Oh yeah, I'm gonna steal all your rights.
No, wait, I got that from the central site though.
No, you didn't.
That's not mine.
No, you haven't.
Yeah, I did.
No, that's because.
Yeah, I did. I got that from this. I got that from the central site.
What? Wait, hold on. Okay, okay, that's not yours. Yeah, it's an example. Don't copy paste that. It's just that that's what it. Yeah, they shouldn't mention it. So this is what you should have. That's the signing key, and this is the verification key. But yeah. Anyway, so now we're gonna build the ID, but in an X format because that's what I need for my script, right? So we need your verification key hash in X. So copy paste that, and you're gonna have to then share me that script hash. So once you're done, you're gonna do cat and drep1.id like this. And what's going to what it's going to show, you have to send it in the chat. Give it to me. Right? So I got my ID there. I didn't do my ID. Hold on. There's my ID. All right. Cat drep1.id. So there's mine. I will copy it and just paste it there so I don't forget. No, I do not want to look at the picture you showed me and just like manually type all of this. You're gonna select them and do copy paste, please. I'm not going to rely on your screenshot, bro. I don't want to do
Don't do it to me, bro. Don't do it to me.
That's actually very funny. Thank you. Thank you. That's good. Okay, so wait. See if it. What's your username? Venture. Dude, you're confusing me now. Yeah, what's the name of your user? Is it Venture Stream or CA Venture Stream?
It's here. Let me send it to you. It's Venture Streams GG.
Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this. All right, all right. This is Bob. And I'm missing Van.
Yes, sir.
Oh, right there. Okay, so now I'm going to open a file that I will name DRep dash let's say multi-sig, and it's a JSON file like this, and I'm going to paste that template, and then I will include your hash. Oh, what kind of multisig do we want? Only 2 signatures or 3?
Hmm.
Could be 2.
Or just one, maybe.
1 signature. What?
Could be a fun experiment.
That's not fun.
Well, one signature. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I just don't see no purpose for what we do. 1 signature. That'll be like, I don't know. Why would I want to do that? 1 signature.
Not
What
not
if
unless
it's
there was
a party
another
of
way
people?
of signing.
You know what?
What if everybody just trusted each other, like implicitly, like anything you do,
You,
I trust you, and any one of us can make the decision, and we all.
you know
I
what?
guess it kind of defeats the purpose a little bit.
You know what I like about 2 signatures is that actually you can use it even if you're not in a way with other people. So if you use this pattern, you could have like anything, could be a payment address that requires 2 signatures, and you got 1 key, like for example at home, and you got one somewhere else, and a third one somewhere else. So if somebody robs your key, then you can
Oh
still
yeah.
make
Oh,
a
that's
transaction,
interesting.
and this guy who stole your key can do nothing because he only
That's
has 1.
very interesting.
But anyway, let's just.
I'm just gonna delegate to Able Pool real quick, one more time.
Make sure that you eventually send me your key hash, and I'm going to paste it there. This is mine, and
Oh
I'm
right.
going to paste Bob's key.
Damn it, the key hash.
Yeah, the command is in the chat. This is here, Cardano CLI Conway Governance DRep ID, and then you pull the X format of that key here, output format X.
Wait, DRep ID.
Mm-hmm.
But
It has to be an X, right? So if your DRep ID starts with DRep, that's not the right format.
yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just a little bit confused about. I thought we weren't.
We weren't.
I'm sorry. I'm just having a brain freeze.
You deregistered, right? Was that the confusing part? You
I
deregistered.
retired.
You are retired, but the DRep ID is not registered. We're going to include an X, a DRep ID that's in X, to be so I can include it into that script, and it is the script that we're registering. So the DRep ID will be the script hash that includes all our 3 keys. So this is going to be the registration. So to do that, you need to derive
Yeah.
an X
Okay.
from your drep.v key, and the command is in the chat.
Yes, I got that. Okay, great. I got that. I should have saved it. I set as the out file DRep ID. I don't know why I just did that. So now I think it replaced my DRep ID file with the hex. I'll share it with you now, but that's probably a problem, right?
No, not at all.
Okay.
You can rerun the as long as you don't lose your signing key and your verification key.
Okay,
Right.
I'm sharing it in the chat now.
Chat. Get DRep key. All right, there it is. Got it. So, all right, third one. There you go. We got this. 3 keys, 2 required signature in case something goes. What?
It's just funny. That was just my brain was. It's good.
Well, good.
There's synapses connecting that were not
Yeah,
connected before.
we're fine. We're just fine. Okay, so let's go down. Now I'm going to generate from that new file the script that I did, which is called the DRep multisig.json. I'm going to generate an hash, a script hash from this. And this is going to be our ID. So if I get into it, multisig.id, this here is going to be our script hash ID. So this is what you share to your friends if you want them to delegate to you. But not right now because we're not registered.
Mm-hmm.
So we will register, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So the DRep deposit here we have, he makes a variable and he goes query it, which is fine with me. Let's do that. So yeah, in this tutorial, they're pretty much making a variable from the command that queries the DRep deposit amount. I don't mind. So if I just, for example, echo it, the result of DRep deposit, it's probably going to show me 500 data, which is all right. All right. So let's create our registration certificate using the DRep hash that I just created from our JSON file and the deposit, which is the result of the variable I just did up there. And we will then get the DRep multisig register cert. That's amazing. Yeah. And now I'm going to build a transaction the same way we did. What?
Just your comments are funny.
Oh, it's just the way I'm super sleepy and I'm out of chicken nuggets. This is very bad, actually, because I'm starving. But anyway,
Happens to the best of us, man.
that's our problem. Lack of chicken nuggets. Uh, okay, so let's build a transaction. Okay, witness override. That's interesting. So I'm just gonna go through it. Actually, I'm going to cancel that and I'll just paste it there instead because I need to modify some stuff. Transaction build. The SanchoNet, that's good. Transaction in from my payment keys, which is not a multisig. So all right. Change address. Witness override. Witness override is the amount of key signatures that you need, right? We need 2 for the multi-signature, but there's missing 1. Which one is it? I'm building a transaction with a multi-sig that requires 2 DRep signature. I provide 2 DRep signature. What is the signature missing?
The the group signature that gets moved along with the two that sign the qualifications to sign the address that's created from the group and from the 3 in the group.
The payment address.
The payment, the payment signature, not the payment address, the payment signing key. So we need to witness the payment signing key as well. So 3 witness. DRep ID 1, DRep ID 2 from whoever, because we only need 2 in our scripts, plus the witness from the payment address, so we can, after that, build our final transaction. That was just it. So we need
So we
3.
only need 3.
We need
Yeah.
3, not 4. So I'm going to put 3 in there. Right? And what
What would
we,
happen if you did 4? Would that would mean basically we need that third?
the no, the transaction fee would have been too high. You would have paid more than you should have. Pretty much.
But the transaction would still.
Yeah, I'm positive. Yeah, I'm pretty sure yes.
Okay.
It's just mainly related to the payment, the fee payments. So now the only thing that's different here, we need to provide, of course, the certificate of our registration, but we also have to provide the script, because we have to show the ledger what is our rules, right, from our script. So let's do this. I'm just gonna do it on my side because I'm the orchestrator of the transaction of our. Whoa, wait, what's going on? What happened? Unexpected something. Okay. I must have done something stupid there. Yeah, there's a space. Okay, let's try that again. That's good, that's good, that's good. Everything's good. Copy. Get back there. I'm gonna just clear this. Oh, right, right. I'm in the multi-sig. So my payment is in the other folder. So I need to not forget that because I don't have no payment address in this directory. Okay. Which makes sense. Let's try it again. And it works. Okay. So now the next step would be to witness our keys. So I can witness the signing key, which is obviously not in that folder again. So I'm just going to paste it here and add // to it. And I want my witness in there so I don't break my head. That's pretty much it. Witness. I'm going to show you then what to do. So I got my payment witness. Then I need to provide my DRep witness. And just to make sure, I called it DRep1. Okay, so there's my DRep1 witness. So which one of you guys want to sign? Actually, Van, you did it 1 or 2 times with me. So if you don't mind, I'm going to make Bob sign this time.
Oh, man.
Give him some practice. Okay, Bob. So you're going to sign. You're going to give me. Okay, yeah, that's important. You're going to give me your witness, or else I won't be able to sign the transaction, right? But to do that, you will need the transaction body file, which is transaction.raw. Okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna post it there in the chat. And I'm gonna give it to you so you can copy paste it into a file that you will call transaction.raw. So you grab this, you copy it, and then I'm just going to type it. You're going to do nano tx.raw like no tx.raw like this. And then you will paste it into that file and save it.
Okay. Okay, cool. So I was right. I knew that I had to create a file first and then put that in there.
Yes. Because as you can see, this is the transaction body file. It is the unwitnessed transaction. which is a Conway era transaction because we built it in Conway era. Gonna make it.
Okay.
Actually, I
Now I
think.
have. I see what I'm doing here. Do I replace this whole file, right? Yeah, I do.
So, oh,
Yeah,
you
so I can
already
see
had
it.
the transaction raw. Yeah, you just replace it. Flush it all,
Okay, and then I
and then you paste it brand new, and it should show you that only in the file. Only this.
that should be done now.
You saved it?
Um, cat tx. You want me to wait? Let me. Yeah, I did save it, but let me see. Should I put this cat tx? No.
What?
Oh, no, it's right.
No. Don't cat tx raw. Well, no, yeah,
Okay,
do
good.
it. Cat tx raw and do a print screen. I want to see what it shows. Just to be sure. So, Bob, you're going to sign your very first transaction with a multi-sig DRep, which is the registration itself. And then after that, we will be able to use that multi-signature DRep, which is going to be registered. So we're going to be able to use it to vote. And no, dude, you need to erase it all. I'm seeing unwitnessed transaction Conwera on top of the one you just pasted. So this is bad. Get back into your file and remove the first bracket that I see above. Hello?
Yeah, I hear you now. I think I just cut out really quick for a second.
You're confused, right? Okay, hold on. Just remove tx.raw like this. Don't break your head. Just remove it like this. And then you go nano tx.raw again. And you paste it. So remove it first. And then you create a new one and you paste it.
Okay. All right, so I removed it. Okay. Now this is empty now.
Yeah,
Before there was like the beginning of the
that's correct. Paste.
yeah.
Control V. Talk to me,
Hmm.
bub. Talk to me. Are you confused or you made it?
No, there it is. Okay, it's there now.
Yeah.
And then save it, right?
Yes. And then cat. Cat. And show me what you got. I want to see it. See if it's good.
Cat eyes. Okay. And bring us back over here.
I want chicken nuggets. I'm hungry. Yeah.
I'm gonna have some barbecued shrimp tacos tonight.
Mm,
Pretty excited about that.
that's good.
How does that look like?
Um, that's perfect. That is perfect. Okay. Now the fun begins. You're going to paste this. Oh, hold on. Getting a Bob.
Yeah. Hold on one sec. There. Okay. My paste options are like they were working one way and now they're not working that way. But I was just testing it out. I was just like feeling it out.
There's only
Um.
one way to copy paste. You copy and you paste, and it's like
With Control C, and then you can do it with the mouse too. With like it's actually working. It's working fine.
yeah, but at the end of the day, you're copy pasting. You can heat the chicken nuggets in between, but I mean, it's still a copy paste, right?
That's what I'm saying. When
Wait,
you
what?
freedom,
I said you can heat
freedom
a chicken
nuggets.
nugget in between when you have chicken nuggets. Oh man,
You're losing your mind, huh?
I'm hungry. I'm starving actually. I'm gonna stop for.
I am hungry too. I am hungry too. I did not have
You got
dinner
no
yet.
time to heat. We
I'm
can
gonna.
heat while we wait for you. In the meantime, you cat your file, your witness file, and you send me what's in it in the chat, so I can have your witness. So you're gonna do cat and then DRep one dot witness, and it's gonna show you exactly what you have to copy and paste in the chat. So I can use your witness. And by the way, witnesses are it's not sensitive information. So you kind of
What am
just
I
find
giving you, Mike? Am I giving you this, Mike? Mike, I'm sorry. Am I giving you this big number here? This Cbor hex number?
everything from a bracket to the other. You just grab it, copy,
Okay.
paste.
From one bracket to the next.
Yes. No, Bob, that's the unwitnessed transaction. I'm asking for the witness transaction.
Oh.
The one that you signed with the command that's above. It's called DRep.witness. So you have to do cat witness. No, that's DRep.witness. DRep1.witness like this. You did witness
Okay,
it.
that saves me.
What?
Yeah, that saves me from finding. Yeah. Let me send you the brackets, Mike. Thank you so much.
All right. Yes. Awesome. Okay, so now I got your witness of the transaction. That's great. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, so now I'm going to create a name for this, and I'm going to call it DRep2 because I don't want to crush the first one. Witness, which is your witness, right? And then I'm going to paste what you just send me in there, which is your DRep witness. So I got it now. Now I need to assemble the transaction file. So what I will do is I will here pretty much show it to you. Actually, wait. There. And I'll put that here. I will zoom like that. Here it is. Okay. Transaction assemble. So I grab the transaction body file that I shared you, my payment witness that I did, my DRep witness 1, which is mine, the DRep witness 2, which is yours, and we don't have any witness 3, so I'll flush that. So I grab this, and the out file is the transaction sign that we usually use to submit on chain. That's done. So now the only last step to do is to submit it. And it should work. Now we have a multi-signature DRep registered on chain. But we have to verify it, right? I mean, it says it's successfully. right? So transaction submitted successfully. We have to verify it. So what I will, oh, my bad. So what I will do is I will do a query, Cardano CLI, Conway query, DRep state, the testnet magic 4, which is SanchoNet, and then we're going to use the DRep script hash, and I want the result of my DRep ID, which is the hash of the script that we did. And if I press enter, then we have our DRep registration. It's in there. So if you guys want to delegate to this DRep, we're going to use this key hash here. So I want to do it. I want to do that. Let's do this.
I want to do it too.
You want to do it too? I'll just share it in the chat. There you go. Where is it? The chat. So this is the DRep ID you want to delegate to. But of course, in the same tutorial, which is great, you also have a where is it? Oh, you don't have a delegate. Oh, delegate vote to a DRep, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, delegating to a script-based DRep. So I'm just gonna do this, and let's say that I give the transaction to you. So if I send it to you, what you're gonna write here instead of that is the script hash that I shared with you. So you're just going to copy this and you're going to paste it here. So the DRep script hash is the one that I give you. So we're doing a vote delegation certificate using our stake verification key because it's our stake key we're delegating to a DRep. And this is the ID of the DRep we want to delegate to, and the name of our certificate that we have to submit on chain to tell the chain and the ledger I'm delegating to this DRep.
Okay, I just delegated. Looks like.
Well, you're pretty fast. I'm gonna send it to Bob if he wants to delegate to our brand new DRep. There's the command, Bob, and I'm going to do the same from my key. Directory. So I'm doing a vote delegation cert, and then let me know when it's done, when you have the fees, or when you, sorry, when you, no, you don't have the fees yet. So I'm going to, is it done? Do you have your cert done?
Yeah, I ran that command.
Okay, so the next one is the transaction build. We're building the transaction. I'm gonna do it on my side too. There you go. That's done. So we're effectively building a transaction with a transaction in from our wallet, transaction out from our wallet to witness. So we're signing with the payment key for the transaction and the stake key because we're delegating to a DRep. And we have to provide the certificate that we just did, which is the vote delegation certificate. And the out file is, of course, our transaction body file, the transaction raw. When this
Ready
is
to go.
ready to go, let's sign that. So I'm sending you the transaction sign command. I'm gonna sign in on my site too. That's done, and then I submit my transaction. I'm delegated to our brand new multi-sig DRep. So once you signed it, I'm going to send you the submit command. There it is.
Yes, I need my submit command.
Actually,
Transactions successfully submitted.
nice. Actually, we're pretty close of the end of the epoch. I wonder if maybe.
Happy epoch's end, guys.
You're gonna have to do a daily show for this one. Epoch send every day on SanchoNet. All right, so we have a multi-signature key. That's pretty much it. Got nothing else to show you guys. Instead of that, I was thinking about. Well, that's gonna be harder. I'm guessing. I mean, maybe the next one we're gonna do some practice voting before going for the constitutional committee. What do you think? We could actually apply as a multi-sig CC, and I'm pretty confident that if we do it in a tutorial way with many signers, like if we can get like maybe 5 or 6 or something like that, we could actually apply on a user governance action on SanchoNet and then probably get people to vote for us. No? You don't want to be a
like
constitutional committee?
Look at the chat.
Look at the chat. What the chat says. Hold on. I gotta read that.
I'm hungry too, though, man. I gotta be honest. I'm ready to make some shrimp tacos.
Oh, that's perfect. Can I post that on Twitter? Chicken nuggets? No, nobody will get it.
That is hilarious.
What's that? If you want to know about this meme, you gotta watch the video. Watch the video. Actually, I'm gonna use this picture on the SanchoNet workshop. The thumbnail.
That's hilarious.
That's a good one. Yeah, we need CryptoNote more often in our workshops. That was it for today, friends. I hope that wasn't too boring. It was actually very funny. I liked it.
CryptoNaut's very happy. He's happy to hear that.
Bob, you're in. You're a DRep. You're a multi-sig DRep on SanchoNet, man. That's something. That is something.
This is where all your troubles begin.
Yep. Now you need practice, though. You got to get used to those commands. And one day you're going to stop asking about them. You'll know how to do.
Hey, Mike, would that be a cool thing to put on GitHub? Is like a bunch of commands that a bunch of command scripts for. So let's say you're following the SanchoNet tutorials, right? And soon it'll be the mainnet tutorials, I guess, eventually. But it could be like just a bunch of. It could be a whole. It could be a bunch of basically the commands we're using in the workshops and stuff that you just download it and you have a bunch of really useful. I guess that would just make people even lazier, but it'd be useful probably.
You mean build a script with that? That just does it for you, right?
Not that it does it for you, sorry, but a bunch of really simple just commands that.
Or like step 1, step 2, step 3, no explanation in between, like? No?
I'm saying for once you've created your DRep and basically just like the normal maintenance commands for checking that you're delegated, checking that you're, like creating votes, checking your DRep, just all these simple kind of like, they can take a while if you're not familiar to. But if you had it on a list right there, like here's the most 10 useful kind of DRep maintenance commands, and then you can just download it, and they're all right there.
Yeah, that's a great idea. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use it.
I was gonna say it'd probably take me about a year, but for you, it's probably something you could do in a couple of hours.
I'll do it at work. I'll do it at work. Shouldn't say that.
Yeah, that'd be.
Now I got people from my work who actually watch this. No, I'm not doing it. I'm working.
You edit the videos, Mike. You're acting like this is live.
That's correct. I'm just gonna go. What did it say? Anyway.
Yeah, good stuff, guys. I'll stay in touch. We should do it again soon. We'll do something with this multi-sig, huh?
We need to do another tutorial, you and me. It's been a while. Actually,
let's do it,
we
man.
could do a tutorial about how to derive our keys from our mnemonic uh, passphrase. What do you think?
I'm always game. You know, next week, Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday night, I'm free, so I can come to the workshop next week. But also, yeah, Monday and Wednesday night, if you are around and want to do something, you know, just keep that in the back of your mind. I'll send it to you in a
Yeah,
DM.
yeah. Send it to me. I might actually next week. I was planning on doing more than one workshop. I would love to do one
Oh,
per.
okay.
Yeah, yeah. I gotta raise that number. Once a week's not enough now. Mainnet is coming. SanchoNet is invading the mainnet.
I'll share it in the Sancho testnet chat. Just say my availability for Sancho related activities.
Actually, I'm going to stop the video.
Yeah, put it in.
So,
Bye, everybody.
was fun. Bye.
Bye, guys. See ya.